Here we are, jumping on another one. This one here is right around the corner from my house. Just in case you don't know, I do have another channel. Brand new. Something I'm working on for retirement. Coming soon. So obviously, it takes more than one day to get all the plywood down. There's only 3 of us. And as you notice, we got an addition down over here. So you might as well say we just about did 3/4 of the mobile home itself without, if the addition wasn't here. So tomorrow, we'll come back here and plywood that and that. Do the same thing we did here as far as just covering it up for the evening. Good possibility, which is what I would hope for, would be that we would get this glued down, because these clamps that we use around these outside edges, probably going to need them for down there. And yes, I'm a little bit out of breath. I've been working my butt off. I'm real happy with the way this thing turns out. If you're interested in a rubber roof like this on your mobile home, of course it's not going to look just like this, obviously. It's going to look a lot better. Check out my playlist for mobile home roofing. You'll see that we do, or I should say we have in the past, done a little bit of traveling. I'm not so sure how much traveling we'll be doing anymore. I'm getting too old for that crap, man. I'm just getting old. But I hope these videos will help you as far as to finding somebody around your area that can do the same thing as we do. It's hard for me to travel, especially in the summertime. It gets really hot, you know. And this is a tough job to do in the summer heat. I personally would rather do one of these in the dead of the winter. Well, at least for around here, because I barely get below 30 degrees in my area. This is sunshine, Southport, North Carolina. So we don't get a whole lot of below 30-degree weather, which is pretty important when you're doing a rubber roof with a water-based glue. They do make an oil-based glue, but it's more like a contact cement. I tell you, that crap's hard to work with. So anybody that's ever done EPDM rubber roofing knows that that oil-based yellow glue is a freaking nightmare, because it's basically a contact cement. Put it on both sides, let it just about dry out, and then roll the rubber onto it. If you make a mistake, forget about it. You might even have to replace that piece of rubber. But thank you for stopping by my channel. If we helped you in any way, if you look down below the bottom of this video, you'll see a thing that says thanks. And if you click on that thanks button, maybe you can donate or buy me a coffee. I love coffee. So if we helped you, maybe you help me. I do this for free. YouTube gives me a little bit of money for it. I'll be honest, it ain't much. I like doing this because I love to share my knowledge. So if I shared knowledge with you and it helped you in any way, look at that thanks button down below. Buy me that coffee. You can spend as little as $2 if you want to. Or you can spend nothing. It's up to you. But thanks for stopping by, watching my videos. Hit that bell notification. You never know when I'm going to put another one out, or for that matter, what it's going to be about. I have been doing some construction site videos that's been hitting off pretty good, just showing people some of the shoddy work that people do anymore. I mean, I've never seen framing like some of these places that I've been going to look at. So we'll see you guys soon. And thanks for stopping by. See you in the next one. Till then, I'm out.